In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Logseq. If you're new to Logseq, it's a powerful, privacy-first note-taking and knowledge management tool that uses plain text. A Kanban board is a simple way to visualize tasks as cards that move across columns like to do, doing, and done. To enable this workflow in Logseq, we'll add the Kanban plugin from the built-in marketplace. Start by heading to the Logseq website. This gets you into the Logseq interface where you'll manage settings and plugins. The layout is clean and minimal, so don't worry if you don't see a Kanban option yet. That's exactly what we're about to add. Look toward the top right corner of the interface for the three dots icon. This is the More menu where Logseq keeps advanced options. Click it to open the menu. If your screen is smaller, it might be tucked slightly to the right, but it will still be in the top bar. Opening this menu is the key to reaching the plugin settings. From that menu, select Plugins. This opens the Plugin Manager, which is where you install, update, and manage add-ons that extend Logseq's features. You'll see sections for installed items and a place to discover new ones. This is completely optional in Logseq, so nothing changes until you choose to install something. Next, go to the Marketplace. The Marketplace is a curated catalog of community-built plugins. It's searchable and organized so you can quickly find what you need. Using the Marketplace is the safest and easiest way to get plugins that work well with Logseq. In the Marketplace search bar, type Kanban. You should see a Kanban plugin appear in the results. Click Install. Logseq will download and add it to your workspace. Give it a moment to finish. When it's done, it will appear under your installed plugins, usually with a toggle to enable it. If Logseq prompts you to reload to activate the plugin, go ahead and confirm. That ensures the new features are fully loaded. It's also a good idea to briefly review the plugin description so you know what commands and blocks it adds and whether there are any settings you may want to adjust later. That's it. With the Kanban plugin installed, you're ready to visualize tasks as boards right inside Logseq. You can now organize your notes and projects using columns and cards without leaving your knowledge base. If you ever want to manage or remove the plugin, just return to the Plugins section through the three dots menu. Enjoy building a clean visual workflow in Logseq with your new Kanban setup.